Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Silfatun Nazwa Hairunisa. I'm from C class. Here I will explain about the breath and the functions. Thank you. He has a friendly smile that makes people feel comfortable around him. The function, the sentence, is used to describe a person's physical appearance and positive personality. It helps the reader imagine the person and understand why others feel comfortable with him. She looks confident and speaks with calm tone. The function, the sentence function to describe someone's attitude and manner of speaking, giving a clear impression of her personality. He is tall and energetic, especially when he plays sport. The function, the sentence is used to describe physical appearance and behavior, showing how the person look and acts in certain situation. She has long straight hair that she always ties neatly. The functions used to describe a person's physical features and habits, helping the reader visualize her appearance. The library is quiet and perfect for reading books. Reading books is used to describe a place and its atmosphere, explaining why the place is suitable for a specific activity. Last weekend, I went to the beach with my family. The sentence functions to introduce a past event and given time informative information which is important in recount text. We had a great time enjoying the sunshine. Used to express feeling and experiences during a past event. I took many pictures to remember the moment. To tell an action explain in purpose in the past event. Yesterday, I studied until midnight to finish my assignment. The sentence is used to describe a past event, activity, including time and reason. I felt nervous at first, but later I become confident. To show emotional changes experienced during a past event. My teacher said that we will have a task next week to report a statement or announcement made by an elderly figure. The news reported that the weather would get worse tomorrow. To share factual information gathered from media or official sources, the doctor advised me to take a rest for a few days. To report professional advice or recommendations given by someone. My classmate informed me that the schedule had changed. To relay updates or changes in a specific plan to others. She mentioned that she wanted to improve her English skill. To report someone personal desires or intention shared in casual way. This means that we need to pay more attention to the instructions to interpret the meaning of a specific situations or rule. The purpose of this activity is to improve our speaking skill, to explain the goal or objective behind a certain actions. In simple words, this theory show how people learn language to simplify a complex idea so it is easier to digest. The reason is that practice helps us become more confident to provide a logical cause for a particular outcome. To clarify the idea, I will give another example to remove confusion by providing additional context or illustrations. One major issue in our society is the lack of awareness about how to introduce a specific problem that needs to be addressed. The main argument is that everyone should have equal access to education. To state a central claim or belief in a format debate. Many argue that social media has both positive and negative impacts to show that there are differing viewpoints or unpopular topic. One possible solution is to promote better public educations to propose to a way to fix a problem that has been identified. In my opinion, students should learn how to manage their screen time, to express a personal perspective or subjective suggestions. Prepare first, prepare all the materials you need to indicate the initial step or preparation phase of task. Next, follow the instructions step by step to signal the continuations of a process in a logical order. After that, check whether everything is working properly to describe a following up action or verification step. Make sure you read the guidelines carefully to emphasize an important instructions or safety precaution. Finally, review the result to ensure it is correct. To mark the concluding step, our final check of a procedure. Once upon a time, there was a girl live in small village. To introduce the setting and characters at the start of a story, suddenly a loud noise came from the forest to create suspense or excitement by including an unexpected event. Then he met a stranger who offered to help him to move the plot forward by describing a sequence of events. In the end, they learned an important lesson about courage, to including the story by highlighting the moral outcome. They live happily ever after to provide a traditional closing for narrative or fairy tale. The last from me, and I do apologize if I many mistake, maybe that my spoken or wrong the pronunciations. I really apologize. And the last I say, before that, I want to say thank you to Mr. because have teaching us from the first learning, and so very efficient, and I really appreciate you are. And the last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, sir.